Right away, I see a whole tangle hanging off of the sign. Yeah, look at it. Tied to the sign. Look how much. All down here on the ground. Guess what? I got my best scissors. Camo scissors. Oops. Boink. Here's a hook. Oh my God, look at the size of that vertebrae. That fish must have been 8 feet long. Unreal. Oh, here's a little bit right by a pistachio nut. Oh yeah, it looks like a little bit. Look at it, it's all the way over here. Oh, here it comes. More. You just see a tiny bit. Okay. Here's a nice leader. Yeah, free leader. So far I've gone about 20 feet, and this is the mess that I picked up.